doubts? Any doubts? Sunita C. Sunita? Regarding the graph, if you have any doubts, I am asking.
Sir,
Yes.
please repeat once again, sir. One problem of graph.
Graph, no? Okay, wait. Okay, see here. Okay. Here we have on the. Okay, tell me one equation. Equation in two variable. Tell me the equation. Any equation. What we discussed in the previous classes. Graphically represent the following
X
linear
y is
equation.
equals to 4
As x
plus y is equals to 4.
this is very simple equation. As another an equation, tell me. Another one equation we discussed in the last class. Yes, anybody tell me fast. I'm not having that problem notes. Yes.
Sir, 3 equals 2x plus 5
3
is equal to 2x plus 5.
2x plus 5. No. Into
Y.
5y. Yeah? Okay. Listen here. 2x plus 5y is equal to 3. Yes, this is the equation. Clear? Now, this equation we can represent graphically. Okay, we can represent graphically. How to represent this graphically? Okay, clear. Here, graphically representation means we have to find out the values of x and y. Okay, x and y. We have to give certain value for x, then we will obtain the value of y. Okay, see here, plus 5y is equal to, it become 3 minus 2x. Is it right? Okay, this 2x, it goes to RHS. Therefore, y is equal to 3 minus 2x divided by 5. Okay, 3 minus 2x divided by 5. Now, we can give certain values for x, then we will obtain the values of y. Okay, this is the first step. What is our next step? Next step means we should make a column. Okay, x and y values we had to find out like this. Okay, this is the second step. In second step, what we should be do? Give value for x. Okay, then we will obtain value of y. Okay, tell me, what is the value of x you want to give? For x, what is the value should be given?
0, 1.
0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, any number you can give, no problem. But if we are giving 0, okay, it becomes what? 2 into 0, 0. Then y become 3 by 5. Is it right? Y become 3 by 5. Okay, therefore we should not consider this value. Next, we can give x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means what happens? See here, 3 minus 2 into 1 is 2 divided by 5. It become 3 minus 2 is 1 by 5. Okay, it become fraction. Okay, therefore we should not consider. If x is equal to 2 means 2 into 2, 4. 4, therefore 3 minus 4 divided by 5. Therefore it become minus 1 by 5. Therefore we should not consider. Okay, but in other equations and all, you should start this x value from 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. But this equation is little bit bigger now. Okay, that's why I am selecting some particular value. Okay, x is equal to 4, you can put. X is equal to 4 becomes 3 minus 4 to the 8 divided by 5. Therefore, 3 minus 8 it is minus 5 divided by 5. Therefore, it become minus 1.
Minus 1.
Okay, therefore, we can take x is equal to how much? 4 then y is equal to how much? It is minus 1, like this. Okay, means we obtained y value. Okay, whole number we obtained. Next, we can give x is equal to 5. 5 means 5 2s are 10. Therefore, 3 minus 10, it is minus 7 by 5. Okay, we should not consider. Next, x is equal to 6, you can give 6 into 2, 12. Okay, therefore 3 minus 12, it become minus 9 by 5. No, we should not consider. Next, 7 you can give. 7 means 7 2s are
14.
14. 3 minus
Minus
14 divided by, therefore it become minus 11 by 5. No. Next, any other value? 7 means 8. 8 2s are 16. 3 minus
minus
16 by 5.
5.
Minus 13 by 5. Oh, it become more fraction. Okay, 8, 9 means, okay, you can give 9. 3 minus 2 into 9 by 5. Therefore, 3 minus 9 2s are 18 divided by 5. 3
Minus
minus 8,
15
it
by
means
5.
it is minus 15 divided by 5. That is equal to minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to 9, y is equal to minus 3. Okay, but in other problems and all, you will easily you can get x and y value. Okay, but this problem is a little bit bigger. Okay, clear? Now you can plot the graph for this. Okay, we are getting only two solutions. Okay, two solutions. Two solutions are enough to plot the graph. The first step, what we will be do? First, see the x and y values. See here. Here x value is more. Yes, clear. X value is more. X is equal to 9, and 3 y value it is less. Okay. Therefore, take a graph sheet and draw the x and y axis. X and y axis. Okay. This is the origin and x axis. This is x dash. This is y, and below it is a y dash. Okay. Here 0, and this is x axis plus x axis means this is 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enough. Next, minus x axis. In the table, we are not having minus x values. Okay, no problem. Therefore, it becomes minus 1 and minus 2. Enough. Okay, only two values are enough. Consider y value. Y value all are negative. Therefore, along positive axis, I shall consider only two values. 0, 1, 2. Enough. But here minus 3 is there. Therefore, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Enough. And at this region, you should write unit. Sorry, scale you can write. Scale x-axis. X-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, and y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, both are same. Okay, for every graph, the scale is same, but in certain problems, it's changed. Okay, first value it is x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 1. First, we can search x is equal to 4 value. X is equal to 4 value means this is the value. Okay, x is equal to 4. Y is equal to minus 1 means we should come down. Okay, minus values here. Okay, above the x-axis positive values, below the x-axis negative values. Therefore, this is the value. Okay, 1 minute down. Therefore, this point is 4 comma minus 1. Okay, this is the point. And second point, second solution, it is x is equal to 9, y is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 9 means this is okay, x-axis, x is equal to 9. Y is equal to minus 3 means you should come down. Okay, therefore minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Therefore, coordinates of the point 9 comma minus 3 like this. Okay, and you should draw the line. And you can draw the line through these 2 points. Enough. Like this. Okay, and there is an arrow mark at both the ends, and you can give name for the line. Okay, AB is a line like this. Okay, this is the method how to draw the graph for the linear equations in 2 variables. Clear? Okay, any doubts regarding this graphical representation?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, shall I move to the next topic? Next topic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the last topic, it is very easy topic actually compared to this graph. Okay. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಓಕೆ okay, the graphical representation of linear equations. Okay, it's over. And the next topic, it is equations of lines parallel to x and y axis. Just okay, observe my concepts. Okay, suppose you already studied the linear equations. Okay, just listen. Linear equations in one variable. Okay, you already studied. The linear equation in one variable means this one variable equation, how many solutions? Only one solution.
One solution.
Yes, unique means single. Okay, equation in one variable, it is having only one solution. Okay, here I want to give one example. X minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, very simple example. Okay, this is linear equation in one variable because it is having only one variable.
Good.
One variable x. Clear? Now anybody tell me what is the solution for this equation? What is the
Plus
solution?
2.
Yes.
Plus
X
2.
is equal to 2. Clear? X is equal to 2 is the solution for this equation. Okay, and it has a unique solution or it has a single solution. Now I want to show this solution for this equation on the number line. Number line, you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay, number line you studied in the 8th standard. Okay, how is it? Just there is a one line. Okay, like this. And on both the sides there are values. Okay, and here is the origin 1 2 3 4, and towards left of the 0 it is -1 -2 -3 -4 like this. Okay, this is a number line. Now my question is, there is a one question. Okay, represent the solution of this equation on the number line. Clear? represent the solution of this equation on the number line. We already obtained the solution. Yes. Okay, we have a solution. The solution is x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2 means where it comes 0, 1, 2. Yes, this is the solution. Therefore, how to represent? See, just here. Okay, we can show this by dotted lines through an arrow mark. X is equal to 2. Clear? This is the representation of the solution for this equation on the number line. Clear? Okay, this is one mark question. Okay, represent the solution of this equation on the number line, and this is the representation. Okay, just there is a small changes. Just observe. This is one variable, equation in one variable. Therefore, I am going to convert this into two variables. How to convert this linear equation into linear equations in two variables? How to convert? Has anybody have idea? How to convert this equation
By
into
adding y.
s by adding y. Therefore, what is the coefficient of y?
0.
Yes. Okay, y coefficient become 0. Therefore, I'm going to write x. There is no changes in x plus 0 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. Is it right? Okay. This is x plus 0 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variables. Okay, therefore, there is no difference between this equation as well as this equation. Okay, this is one variable and this is two variables. Okay, now plot the graph for this equation. It becomes what? And what is the how to represent the graph for this type of equation? Here the y coefficient become 0. As how to represent and what are the properties of the graph? Now we are going to study. Okay, this is linear equation in two variables. Okay, now we want to plot the graph means first we should construct a table. Okay, table means for x values and y values like this. Okay, x values and y values. Now this equation become, the given equation is x plus 0 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, I shall take x is equal to, okay, 2 it goes to RHS, it become 2.
Plus 2.
And 0 into y, it goes to RHS, it become minus 0 into y. Clear? 0 into y. Now, in previous problems and all, we give x values. Okay, we are given x values. Then we obtained y values. Clear? We are given x values. Then we obtained y values. But in this problem, we should be give y values. Clear? We should give y values, then we obtain x values. Therefore, what is the value should be given for y?
1.
Okay, you can give y is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 into 0, 0.
0.
Here, coefficient of y is 0. We are giving value for y only. Therefore, y is equal to 1. 1 into 0, 0. Therefore, 2 minus 0, it become 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Similarly, you can give value, y value is equal to 2. As it becomes
0.
Just see the equation. 2 into 0, 0.
0.
Okay, therefore,
0.
2 minus 0, it become again 2. Next, give y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 means 3 into 0 again 0.
0.
Therefore x is equal to 2. Next, y is equal to 4 you can give. 4 into 0 0. Therefore x is equal to 2.
0.
Next, put y is equal to 5. 5 into 0 0. Therefore x is equal to 2. Yes.
2.
Just observe these values. Okay, you can give any value for y. Okay, 1 2 3 up to infinity. Okay, for all the values of y, the x value become constant. Therefore x is equal to 2 only. Is it right? Okay, x is equal to 2. Now we have to plot the graph for this for these solutions. Now how to plot the graph for these solutions? Just see. Okay, here the maximum value for y is, sorry, the maximum value for x is only 2. Okay, it is actually plus 2. Next, the value for y it is plus 5.
5.
Okay, just see the line. Plot x and y axis. Okay, x axis and x dash. This is y and y dash. This is the origin. X is 1 2 3 4 enough. Minus x become minus 1 minus 2 enough. And along the y axis 1 2 3 4 5 6. Y dash minus 1 minus 2 enough. Okay, clear. What is the first value for x? Now y is equal to 1, x is equal to
2.
x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 1 means this is the y. Okay, y is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2 means this is the value. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 means this is the point. Is it right? Okay, x is equal to 2,
Sir.
y is equal to, it is plus 1. Plus 1 means you should go up. Therefore this point is 2 comma 1. You can write here. What is the next value?
2
Next
and
value
2.
is 2. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 means again 1 2. This is the point. Therefore 2 comma 2 right here. And next one it is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3.
3.
Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 means this is the point. Okay, 1 2 3. 2 comma 3. Next point it is 2 comma 4. Therefore 2 comma 4. The next point it is 2 comma 5. Now we can draw the line through these all the points like this. Okay, and you can give the value for AB like this. Now the method of drawing the graph, it is same. Okay, there is no changes. Now what is the property of this graph? As anybody tell me, what is the property compared to previous graphs? What is the property? Yes, Liket. Switch on your video, Liket, Madan. Madan. Okay, anybody tell me what is the property of this graph? How is it? Yes, Chetan Salera. Yes, what is the property? Tell me the fast. Compared to previous graphs. Compared to previous graphs. Pratik. Yes, anybody? Sushan. Sushan. Okay, see here. In this graph, okay, previous graphs and all, we studied the graph. See, we plotted the x and y values. Just see. Okay, just we plotted the x and y axis and we obtained the graph like this. Or maybe we obtained the graph like this. But in this graph, okay, we obtained exactly this the line which is parallel to y-axis. Is it right? Okay, we obtained the line, equation of the line which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, and this this line is at equidistant from the y-axis. Equidistant means what? The distance between them equal. Okay, we can measure at here, otherwise we can measure here. Okay, there is a same distance. Okay, there is a same distance. Therefore, the line which is parallel to y-axis and the line is equidistant from the y-axis. Okay, now we are going to plot, okay, plot this type of graphs. Okay, here the equation x is equal to 0. Okay, now we are going to study, okay, just a simple concept. Listen here. The equation of y-axis and equation of x-axis. Okay, you can tell me this graph is parallel to y-axis. Is it right? Okay, this graph is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, if any graph which is parallel to y-axis, okay, what is the equation? What is the equation? Now we have to find out. Okay, see here, this line which is parallel to y-axis, therefore the distance between this line and the y-axis, it is how many units?
1.
2. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2. Okay, okay. The distance between the line and the y-axis, which is 2 units. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Is it right? Okay, x is equal to 2. In general, we can write x is equal to a. Is it right? Clear? Okay, x is equal to a. In place of a, you can take any value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, x is equal to a is the equation of a line parallel to y-axis. Okay, did you understand? Okay, here x is equal to a is the line which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, this is the equation. Suppose any line which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, just listen here. We obtained a line like this. Okay, in the next problem, you obtained the line like this. Means the line it is parallel to x-axis. Then what is the equation of the x-axis? What is the equation of the axis?
Y
Yes.
is equals to 2.
That is y. Okay. If in case x minus 2 is equal to 0, we took. Okay, in place of x, you can take y. Therefore, it become y is equal to 2.
2.
Otherwise, in general, y is equal to a.
A.
Okay, y is equal to a. And this distance is there, no? This is the distance. This distance is a. Okay, this distance is a. Therefore, if x is equal to a, which represent the straight line, just write it parallel to y-axis. If y is equal to a, straight line parallel to x-axis. Just you know these points. Okay, they will not asking in the problems also. Okay. Okay. Right, Chandana, Chetan, why so many of them? They're absent. Turn your videos. Sunita, Vaishnavi, Ananya. Okay. Now I shall ask one question. If x is equal to 0. Okay, if x is equal to 0, this is the equation in one variable. Is it right? Okay, this is the equation in one variable. Now, x is equal to 0 is the equation for x-axis or maybe equation for y-axis. Okay, please understand.
Sir, repeat it again.
Okay, wait. Here I am giving x is equal to 0. Okay, x is equal to 0 is the equation, linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Therefore, this x is equal to 0 is the equation for x-axis or maybe y-axis. Which one is right? This is x-axis equation or maybe y-axis equation. Yes, anybody just understand the concept first of all. X is equal to 0 means x does not values. Is it right? Okay. X is having no other values. Okay. Please mute your video. Who is that? Mute that. Mute everyone. Okay. Here x is equal to 0 means all x values are zeros. Therefore, this x is equal to 0 is the equation for y-axis. X is equal to 0 means that is the equation for y-axis. If y is equal to 0 means there is no y coordinate. Okay, there is no y coordinate. If y is equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. Okay, I want to repeat, just listen here. If x is equal to 0 means all x values are absent. Okay, all x values are zeros. Only y values present. If y is equal to 0 means, okay, if y is equal to 0 means all y coordinates are 0, only x values are present. Okay, just you know these points. Okay, these 4 points. Okay, from the next class onwards, I'm going to solve the problems. Okay, just you should bring the graph sheets. Okay, just we solve this type of graph now, same graphs. Okay, just equation will be changes. Okay, there are 3 problems are there. Once we solve these problems means, okay, this chapter will be completed. Okay, next from the next week onwards, I shall take another chapter, and okay, next period it will be completed. Okay, linear equations in 2 variable, it become completed. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, work out
Thank you,
all
sir.
the problems.